Quilters, I am so excited to show you something today. We're getting ready for Festival International de Louisiane, which is in Lafayette, Louisiana. It's an annual international francophone music festival, so lots of music from French-speaking countries all over the world. Great festival. So we're super excited, second year in a row, to be selling our arts in the art market there. And so last year we had our first booth. We had done a couple of craft fairs before that, selling quilts. And so I decided last year to sort of branch out a little bit. And so we started selling other items, you know, different price points, so that we could get customers of, you know, everywhere from 5-year-old little girls who would buy our purses and walk away. They were so cute, to people who are buying full-size quilts. And we appreciate everyone, all price points. So it was great having them. Unfortunately, we were still trying to figure out exactly how do you sell quilts and quilting items and purses at an international music festival. And so we made a lot of mistakes. We had a table, we put stuff on the table, we had a couple of things hanging, and we did okay. You know, we sold some things, we did well, but we want to do really well this year. So, you know, went to Pinterest, look up a few things, found a picture of a folding display wall, sent the picture to my dad, and here it is, y'all, here it is. He made it for me, and it's absolutely perfect. It is still folded together, but this is one of 3 panels. You can see it's kind of folded up. So there's 3 chicken wire panels that I'm going to display all of my, this is a cross shoulder, cross body bag that we sell. And I've just got these little hooks. And so we're just going to be hanging things on there. And I'm so excited. It's exactly what we needed. So thanks, Bennett. Appreciate you. See you next time. Peace out, Cheeky Quilters.